Yes, yes. So today, a long time we didn't do an update. Yeah, so today we're gonna just do an update, see where we at. So we start from the front of the building. Yeah, front and the one side of the building. So let's walk away from outside and hey man, and continue inside. Alright? So let's go. So that's so we're gonna, as you see from the side here, and this side here need a little yeah, a little touch up here. Well, as you see, we're just doing an update to see where we at. Yeah, so let's go. As you notice, the gate is in. Yeah, so let's get it from this side now. Yeah, view from this side. Yeah, gate and everything. It's for a while I was trying to be here when the painter is here. So as you notice, it's all prime and the first coat. It's not actually finished painted outside. Notice the cameras there. Ceiling is done. Just the paint. So let's walk around backyard. But we're gonna more focus on the building itself. Right, so let's go from this side now. Okay, so this is the back side of the building now. Yeah. Entrance coming in. Alright, so let's go on the other side now. Okay, so this is the other side. So I think we get the four corners of the building. Yeah. Alright, so there's the back entrance. Yeah. Alright, so now let's focus on where we are about right now. The paint job and where we at. Okay, so we're going inside now, downstairs, and yeah, ceiling, painter is here, fixing up the ceiling, yeah. Ceiling is actually finished painting. Down here need to finish prime up and paint, yeah. Internet is in. So the laborer is here too, also cleaning up the floor. We're going to meet him upstairs in a minute. Yeah. So as I'm doing this, I'm looking for you know, issues and little stuff that is not done. So I could notice on top the corner there's a piece of unfinished work in the corner there. I could see it from this distance here, so I gotta point that out to the ceiling guy, the sheetrock man. Yeah? Yeah, there was a lot of stuff on the floor. This guy now cleaning up today. Yes. So let's go upstairs now. Oh, yeah. We're gonna pass to the back. Go up this step here. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, so this is the laborer here, man, cleaning up nice as you see downstairs. And that is the man, no?
Larry.
Larry, man. Yeah. Yeah. So As you see the ceiling. Nice work on the ceiling. Yeah. And here. Larry. Cleaning up the floor then with all the mud getting ready for the tire on. So we finally not meet the man who really behind the painting, as you could see from outside. A great job done outside. And for a long while we were trying to catch up with him, but this is him. Yep. Catching in action. So this is the painter Collis Michelle.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if you want to say something.
Great skill
Yep.
to bring it like this.
Yes, sir. So from the notice, I'm going to send that update we're doing. And from the last one to now, you could see the big difference, right? So the man who is responsible for all of this is this morning, right? So you, yeah?
Get the right tool for the right job and get it done.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to still walk around and show you, you know, what we got going on here. Let's say it's Larry doing this thing over here, cleaning up. Yeah. So, just a matter of finish frying it up and do the final coat paint. Yeah. Waiting on the tile man to come in and do his thing on this bathroom here. Yeah, ceiling already done. Yeah. So you see it all. And sheet rock up. Yeah. So the next person we didn't get, because we could see the great electrical work here. We didn't get him yet, but we're gonna get him on video soon. So that's Alex Daniel. That's the man behind it. That's the spark here, the man behind the wiring. Yeah. So, you know, a lot of people are asking who's doing the paint job, but I couldn't catch up with him. So now, this is the same man for real, you know? Yeah. Downstairs, going back downstairs. All the way. Let's go outside. Yeah. Yeah, so it's just a matter of doing some cleaning up and then we're in business. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, view from up top on the side. Again. Yeah. Folks, by the way, today is New Year's Eve, so You ain't seen much people working today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bathroom here. Now we're gonna clean this up nice, pack up all these things, and get ready for the tile run to come in. Yeah, so that was just an update on where we at. You know? Let's go back downstairs and get a back shot from the back view from the street. Yeah. Entrance coming in. Exit. In the road down there, Grenadian Hilltop up there, and this is a back view from the banana trees blocking a little, but I'll show you. You could see, right? Yeah. So folks, that's just a update where we at New Year's Eve today. From where we was the last time, all here wasn't paved on yet, and as you could see, it all paved up. Yeah. Yeah, so folks, that's a wrap on this one for now. So stay tuned and catch up with me on the next one. All right.